Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're re-seeing the dreaded check engine light on your dashboard and you've scanned your car's OBD system, you might have come across a P0440 code. But what does that mean? Well, don't worry, because today we're going to break it all down for you. The P0440 code, what causes it, and how you can fix it. Let's dive in. The P0440 is a generic trouble code that refers to an issue with your car's Evaporative Emission Control System, also known as the EVAP system. This system is designed to prevent fuel vapors from your gas tank from escaping into the atmosphere, which helps reduce pollution. So when the P0440 code pops up, it means there's a malfunction in the EVAP system, but it doesn't tell us exactly what's wrong. We'll need to dive a little deeper. Now, common causes of P0440. Number 1. A loose or damaged gas cap. The gas cap is a crucial part of the EVAP system. If it's not properly EVAP system sealed or is cracked, it can cause fuel vapors to escape, triggering the P0440 code. Ensure that the gas cap is tightened properly. If it's cracked or damaged, replace it. Number 2. Faulty purge valve. The purge valve regulates the flow of fuel vapors from the charcoal canister to the engine to be burned. If the purge valve is stuck open or closed, it can cause the system to malfunction and set a P0440 code. Check the purge valve, vent valve, and charcoal canister for any visible damage or malfunction. Number 3. Clogged or leaky charcoal canister. The charcoal canister stores the fuel vapors from the gas tank. If the canister is clogged, cracked, or leaking, it can prevent the proper storage and release of vapors, triggering the P0440 code. If you identify any damaged or malfunctioning components, replace them. Number 4. Wiring or connector issues. Damaged wiring or corroded connectors in the EVAP system can cause intermittent or complete failure in communication between sensors and the control module. This can trigger the P0440 code. Inspect for frayed wires, corroded connectors, or loose connections that may be interfering with system operation. Number 5. Perform a smoke test. Some mechanics use a smoke machine to identify leaks in the EVAP system by pumping smoke into the system and watching for where it escapes. The P0440 code is often related to a malfunction in the EVAP system, which is responsible for controlling fuel vapors and minimizing environmental impact. The most common causes are a loose or damaged gas cap, faulty valves, or leaks in the system. Many issues can be fixed through inspection and replacement of damaged components, but a more thorough diagnostic might be needed if the problem persists. Regularly checking your vehicle's EVAP system, especially after fueling, can help avoid this code from appearing and ensure optimal vehicle performance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.